Channel Navigator is a leading source for online intelligence on North American IT and telecom solution providers. Customers can have direct access to a database profiling over 25,000 unique companies with over 100,000 verified contacts. On the screen, you see some high-level numbers under key metrics on the right-hand side. We break companies down by different types: consultants, service providers, VARs, and vendors are the main ones. Select and build a list in accounts. We can go in and select a specific business profile. The first section is Company Insight. This provides the basic address and business information company overview. The next section, Business Insight, gives details about the type, solutions, which are based roughly on Gartner categories, things like cloud computing and unified communications. Technologies get much more granular with things like VoIP. Service capabilities, where we identify a category of company called managed service providers here. We also have a field for facilities, like if they have a data center or not, provide employee count and annual revenue number. The Partner Insight gives the details on the vendors or manufacturers that the company actively works with. Vendor partnerships on the right-hand side is drawn from public partner locators operated by the vendors, and we identify top-tier partners. And finally, in the bottom section, in the Customer Insight, we give information on the end customers they sell into, the vertical, size, region served, and key customers, etc. You can export an account summary via PDF when you're in one. If you go into the More Information tab, we can select a contact. You can see that not only we provide a title, but also a level and a department, as well as specialization for technical folks. We have a verified email address and phone number to reach them at. You can export an individual contact via vCard there. One quick, easy way to search across the entire database in the top right, if we search for a keyword like Microsoft, you'll see that we have nearly 1,000 contacts and over 10,000 accounts that have Microsoft in them. So these are primarily business partners in Microsoft. Moving back into the accounts area, the filter functionality on the right-hand side gives us the ability to adjust and view and drill down into the accounts and contacts based on multiple field criteria. You can create a new one. In this case, I'm going to edit an existing one. And you'll see this filter we've defined to identify companies that sell networking solutions as well as security, offer managed services, are of the type VAR, and have less than 20 employees. That yields about 2,400 companies in the database. If we further want to drill down into this, we could add another search criteria. In this case, we select vendors, contains WatchGuard. We can see a subset of these companies that actually have a relationship with WatchGuard is about 277. So Navigator gives you the ability to define a business profile and identify all the companies nationally that have a similar profile. Based on a subscription, you also have the ability to export all the contacts of your defined filter here. This comes out in the form of an Excel file or CSV file with all the information relevant that you're interested in importing into your CRM system as well as your marketing automation systems. Thank you for spending a few minutes watching our video. Please feel free to contact us with questions, set up a one-on-one session to identify some target partners, or receive evaluation access into the database.